This is the face of check fraud. This is the face of check fraud. This is the face of check fraud. The point is, there is no single face of check fraud, not with 1.2 million fraudulent checks being written in the U.S. every day. And more often than not, the victim is a small business. Last year alone, an astonishing 71% of small businesses experienced either actual or attempted fraud. Make sure your business doesn't become a statistic. Today, thanks to recent innovations in the area of fraud protection, you can help keep your business more secure than ever before. Introducing High Security Solutions, specifically designed to protect your small business. This innovative line of new products includes new high security checks, featuring 22 cutting-edge security features, like a multicolored dimensional foil hologram that includes 7 embedded security features, making it impossible to be reproduced by copiers or scanners. Thermochromic ink that reacts with heat to deter and detect copying. High-resolution border elements that make the check difficult to reproduce. And a true watermark that can be seen by holding the check up to a light and also cannot be reproduced by copiers or scanners. But that's not all. High security checks also include these security features. Checks are only one piece of the high security solution, however. You'll also find companion products to help provide your business with even more protection, including double window laser check envelopes, specially sized for accurate window disclosure and featuring privacy tint for total confidentiality. A security pen with special ink which embeds itself in paper fibers to help prevent check washing, a common form of fraud. And a privacy stamp for use over handwriting or type to help conceal private information. Recognizing the face of check fraud isn't always easy. Protecting your business is, thanks to today's high security solutions. Want to learn more about keeping your business safe from check fraud with these great new security products? Contact us today.